And in my clinical experience, I've been using Essentials Proflavanol CoQ30 as well as Biomega for those patients. Again, hindi lang essentials. You use optimizers also. Bakit? Number one, problema sa utak. DHA, EPA, good for the neuronal function. Right? We know that. Aside from the fact that a lot of these stroke patients have hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, meaning mataas yung cholesterol nila. They are also at risk for heart problems. And as far as fish oils or omega-3, omega-6 is concerned, even the American Heart Association recommends 1,800 milligrams at least, and 3 times a week. Okay? At least 3 times a week to protect an individual. Now, we're talking about somebody na nayari na. That's why I use that every day. Now, question. How many milligrams of fish oil does Biomega have? Good. 1,000. That's why twice a day. Okay? That's very good. Impressed. So, when we talk about strokes, dalawa yun eh. Yung nagbara yung ugat, naging ischemic. Yung next naman, yung pumutok yung ugat, naging hemorrhagic. This one here is how the clot looks inside your brain. Ito, syringe yan. Ginawa namin na retractor. Again, more or less the same pathology po. Hypertensive most often the times yung pasyente mo. Mataas yung, yes ma'am, mataas yung cholesterol. A lot of the times, diabetic. Hence, you might wonder, but it's basically the same concoction. And what I experienced with this one is that it has a shorter duration of hospital stay and morbidity po. Meaning, mas madali silang bumabawi. I've had patients with large bleeds whom I don't need to operate anymore because wala na akong indikasyon other than the fact na may clot siya. No? Yung neurologic deficit po nila, matagal po yung babawi. Usually 3 to 6 months. Usually, okay? My experience that led me to be passionate about sharing this even with my co-doctors is that I see them improving within the month. Within 3 weeks to 4 weeks, I see them move. Something that I haven't really experienced that much before when I did not use these products. Before, I've been managing these patients as a consultant since 2007 po. There is a structured care on what we give, and we see, or I see my patients improving more often than not on the 3rd month. A few of them on the 6th week. But as far as the patients that I've been exposing to USANA, this product is concerned, a lot of them on the 3rd and 4th week, they really feel the difference and I can see them move about. Mas madali po silang marehab. Okay? And that is how good your product is. What about those who are fortunate enough na yung utak nila lamok dahil sa motorcycle na nakainom na walang helmet, and praise to them. That is a picture of a brain. Ito po, clot po yan. Ganito po yung itsura. So, sino may motorsiklo dito na hindi nag-helmet? Okay. Take a look at this picture because sooner or later po, if you add alcohol to that, you might end up with this one. It has the same pathology. The reason lang po that I don't add much Biomega is because a lot of the time, acute change lang to eh. If they surpass the acute problem, babawi at babawi sila. But when the severity of the injury is bad, I add Biomega. And I have the same results with these patients, especially those whose brain injury is such that they don't need surgery pero ang dami nilang maliliit na pasa sa utak. They tend to, if I have to quote my patient, mas maganda pa yung concentration niya ngayon kaysa nung hindi pa siya na-aksidente. I have this 22-year-old male patient. Aksidente, motorcycle, nakainom, buti lang hindi kailangan ng surgery. Pero his brain had a lot of these small contusions, small clots, no? He was discharged after 10 days in the hospital. Medyo sumasakit-sakit pa yung ulo. After 1 week, I saw him mas may tinatawag namin na post-traumatic na sequelae. The headaches don't really disappear kaagad eh. 2-3 weeks yon. But after 15 days, and I've been telling him na you go back, read, kasi gusto niyang mag-review for his policeman boards. He was so happy kasi sabi niya, yung concentration niya ngayon, yung retention niya, mas better pa kaysa nung hindi pa siya na-disgrasya. Sabi ko nga sa kanya na swerte pala, no? At least na-disgrasya ka. Tapos wag kayong mag-helmet, ha? Tapos inom pa rin kayo. Now, that is how the product works for them. And my question now is how? Who can give me a good guess? If a doctor, if you share this with somebody, not even a doctor, and he will ask you, paano nangyari yon? How? How did the USANA products help out? Won't you ask? Diba? Won't you ask? If you were the one presented this, okay, impressed kayo, wouldn't be at the back of your mind a big question mark pa, no? Right now, we don't say, we just say, yay, because we're in the same group. But if you're from the outside, won't you ask? Diba? The reason is this. In every injury, be it brain, be it any parts of the body po, no? There is a change in the circulation. With every change in circulation, meaning perfusion would either be mas mataas or mas mababa po. The cells there, or the tissue, is prone to the oxidative stresses po. Aside from the initial injurious mechanism, pag-disgrasya, the tear, the clots, yon, no? That's the primary, the initial. Continuum yun eh. Dynamic kasi yung katawan natin. The problem with overperfusion in a tissue na sira is that a lot of your blood products may not be, how would you call that, healthy once may not be, how do you call that, may be injurious to the tissue. What is in your blood that is injurious to the tissue? Iron. Because iron is a pro-oxidant. So, even calcium, pag yung membranes nila nagkasiraan na, it is a pro-destructive na mineral. Ang dami po kasi, and it all stems up, or rather, oxidative stress, oxidative damage from free radicals po, has a very large part in the perpetuation of the injury. And by supplying the body with